Azad Club is founded by CSA faculty member. In COVID-19 lockdown period, provide food of regulars and they are daily from Chanda Bhojnalaya with the help of.
Sir, during COVID-19, some of the labor, Shramik, we call Shramik, they retained in the campus itself. They could not go to their home. So throughout the days, all 3 meals we have provided free of cost from the university. Sometimes from the university, sometimes we have from the group, and collecting this one, food and all that, given the service to the employee. Good persons. I'm telling you, there are many good persons you will find. Many good persons.
Poor students, these are unable to deposit tuition fees in time. For disabled students, provide bicycle sticks and earbuds, etc. All the faculty, each faculty adopt TV present and to aware urban public for environmental protection, motivate Rotary Club Kanpur to provide water cooler and benches for the hostel and campus. Tree guard provided by the faculty members.
So many, pardon? What?
TB patients are adopted by faculty.
In this area, TB patients are more.
The Kanpur Dehat. Kanpur Dehat is some villages are very malnourished. That's why I said no, it is nationally recognized. The Kanpur Dehat is malnutrition district. So we are focusing on that particular point. I'm very happy that we have
How many patients adopted?
115. 115.
TB patients.
115 TB patients. No, we cannot afford so many things, no? As a,
No, it's different. But why that 150 patients?
no, for 1 year. But you will keep on changing it. For 1 year, 115.
The faculty members are giving financial support.
Parents on their own, sir. There is no financial support from anywhere. We only organize some awareness program during the big function, but each staff, they have adopted 1 or 2 TB patients, and they are
What is their role? Faculty role.
faculty role. They are giving all the food supply, the nutrient fruits and vegetables time to time.
And own pockets.
Yeah,
One pocket you are giving.
no, on their own
Why
pocket.
transfer from the
No.
university budget?
No. Only from the adopted village, I am focusing from the university. Rest all by the staff only. No.
You are doing so many things, but not highlighting properly, different from other universities.
Totally
So many
different.
things.
I am telling sir, you will find lot of things different from, you will not find anywhere in the country.
Yeah.
I am telling.
What is the use if it is not affected?
No, what I am telling, the best practices, there were the only 2 devas. You have selected 2 and given. And there was no query on that. There is no query on that. So it means we achieved 100% there.
Somewhere we should have mentioned.
Yeah, somewhere should have mentioned. And sir, we are already recognized. We are the first time we are going for the night. So there are many things. But now I can assure, sir, I am very happy and very glad and very proud also. I have prepared a team. This team can help the entire country in the electricity. They are prepared. Fully prepared.
This session will sensitize all of us, all of your team.
Yeah.
It will sensitize them.
Yeah.
Now they will be vigilant.
Yeah.
इनके दिमाग में एक बार आ गई ये
जी,
ऐसे करना वो recorded रखना है.
जी सर. चलिए.
We have celebrated national festival and birth anniversary of the program.
चलिए तो important days है. We keep on organizing. Almost every day we
Cultural
have.
and NSS program.
See, here we can see the NCC, NCC, NSS. We have 2
Cultural
clubs.
event and competition.
Totally dedicated to our person.
College of Medical Technology, Gaba, these programs.
We have many taglines which other institutions don't.
Other program in the university, plantation program. These are the some.
The media coverage. And sir, here just a few seconds. Every day we will send some our practices, some awareness program, some packages to the entire state through media and media channels. Every day, and you can see our website. Daily news comes. Even yesterday, 15 video I saw. Typical heavy. There is a media profile, media in
It's
charge.
very essential because in other types of rankings, like sometime you may, inshallah, apply for QS ranking,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
international
It's all
ranking,
Yeah.
and there you need this public perception,
Yes, yes.
employer perception, what others think about it. I am not that what I think about myself, I'm a great scientist, but I think I'm that what others think about me.
Yeah.
That's
Now
very
you
important.
kind of remember, these are the three Afghani students. These are the
You can see the students.
SC.
They are running.
These SC student. These are the UG.
The side one is all my staff.
Yeah.
3 years.
Myself and father.
They फिर से बताइए कौन सा अपना चीज़ है?
These are Afghani students.
One,
Safijullah.
one, two.
1, 2 and 3.
So you should have given the document. I am showing the photograph.
These are the sports and game university.
चलिए.
ये यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल प्रोग्राम
चलिए ये तो हो गया.
Forum.
चलिए आगे.
So this is the Solomon Peace Program. Environment.
Sir, 1 second, sir. As you all aware that the country is celebrating Amrit Mahotsav. Sir, you find in your state and Pure University in your state, how many programs they have conducted so far? We have completed the target. As by the now, we have completed 75 programs. Every university and institution have to organize by August, coming August. But we have already much ahead. We have already completed 75.
And last is the voting of
See, sir, Haris Palsa. This is the concept we are doing. Green campus, green house, how are we?
Lockdown period, the agenda was not there. NCC, स्वच्छता पखवाड़ा.
Here you can see, sir. You can see me. I am taking the over. I think just after joining. This was the
just second day.
second year. Second
We
year.
are the hostel premises, students, other activities. Follow बड़े कारकुन. It is the national program. International Yoga Day.
Online yoga.
Lockdown period, online yoga class.
Sir, as you mentioned, no, they are not reaching some students. Even online yoga also have given to those students.
Women's Day and NSS Special Camp. Raष्ट्रीय Yoga Sports Program and Nine Association.
Dr. Munish, you provide the documents regarding
Yes, yes.
organization, how have increased. I mean documents you have provided. Yes, sir.
Every year we have organized the alumni meet and AGM and executive
Anyway,
council.
that is not coming.
This is the registered body under the Society Act.
You
have to
give the evidence.
Ah, yes, yeah.
Number of
I will provide the books and
Good correct.
these are the sir, alumni meet and AGM organized every year.
What's that they have contributed?
Our sir, Chairman sir, our some of the alumni has contributed in the financial matter as well as some registration kit also. Sometimes they contributed financially and sometimes they contributed for the event,
Sponsor is events.
sponsor event. And our alumni is also working in multinationals. They also sponsor our this program. So last time and before last year we have collected 15 lakhs rupees. And every year we are organizing annual general meeting and alumni meeting. In spite of this,
What is the total of 15 lakhs? How you place?
sir, we have some money we have deposited in the alumni account, and we have published a proceedings also, farmer centric agriculture, and a book, a small book I will provide you, and souvenir and abstract. And last year we have published the alumni directory. This year we have organized the conference on organic farming and natural farming, in context to Indian agriculture, and we have published the souvenir as well as going to be published the proceedings of this.
Here once again, sir. As the government announced to go for the natural farming some work, we are the pioneer and the first in the state to have the scientific information on the natural farming. We started the research work in our farm. So 2 years data we have received.
And also we have registered this alumni association on the Niti Aayog NGO Darpur portal.
And sir, 2021 on 29th and 30th July, the Niti Aayog conducted the national dialogue on the natural farming. I myself represented the entire north. From the north, I represented the case. From the UP I have taken, but from the north I was chosen for this one. So there also the state, the lead in the natural farming.
There are many medals also. We are who has been sponsored by
Sponsored
that.
by them.
We are giving more than 19, 20 medals to the students.
Financial support. Total members.
Actually, answer.
Thanks.
So here, sir, only thing what I write to the honorable chairman members, kindly visit our declaration hall, town assembly, and second is health center also. Yes, sir. This two will be different. And anyway, we are going to build the hostel, that is different thing. But two I invite on my behalf, because it is not listed anywhere. I request you all to visit.
अच्छा डॉक्टर साहब ये जो हॉस्टल्स का जिक्र आपने किया 1380 वी हैव कैपेसिटी ऑफ 1380 इन 14 हॉस्टल्स
Yeah.
है ना वो फिर वहाँ पर जो इंजीनियरिंग हॉस्टल है डेयरी टेक्नोलॉजी का फिशरीज वी हैव 500 स्टूडेंट्स देयर
Yeah.
गर्ल्स के लिए वी हैव जस्ट 150 2 पॉइंट्स इज दिस सोशल फैसिलिटी एडिकेट
Yes, sir.
एडिकेट हमें
Educate facility.
दिक्कत तो नहीं आती है once we make admissions new admissions
Yeah.
दिक्कत तो नहीं आती है
Yeah.
अच्छा what about female students
We have separate hostels.
female
Yeah.
We have 4 hostel, girls hostel for them, and one more has come out. So it is likely to be inaugurated by the honorable CM.
Sir,
It's ready.
I couldn't make it whether 150 capacities dedicated.
Yeah, enough. Yeah.
Is it enough?
Yeah.
But for boys also. For boys
They
also.
are telling that girl students are not joining.
Come.
Recently, sir, we have NSS support from ICR to construct one bus hostel. That is construction and likely to be completed within 2 weeks.
So hostel facilities.
Yeah, yeah.
Not getting
Bus
advanced.
Not
hostel
advanced.
we have already completed.
separate UGPs hostel?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
I think there's a state at 18, 19 hostels.
Yeah.
28, sir.
Yeah, 28
hostel.
Enough. You have sufficient.
Okay, next some other
Dean of Home Science.
University that we know now.
Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Dr. Upadhyay, T.K. Upadhyay, Dean, College of Home Science. Journey of college. After the establishment of Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, Kanpur, Department of Home Science took shape in the university in the 1983-84 and gained the status of a college in the year of 1986. With a building and premise of its own, the Faculty of Home Science took shape in with 5 departments, namely Child Development, now Human Development Department, second Food and Nutrition, Family Resource Management, Textile and Clothing, and 5 Extension, Education and Community Management later on. PhD Home Science of 3 years duration has been started in the 2 disciplines since 2002-2003, while PhD in remaining 3 departments of Home Science has started from academic session 2021. Faculty position, Extension, Education and Communication Management. Now, head of the department myself, Dr. P. Upadhyay, Dr. Nirma Kumar, Professor, Dr. Mithili Next.
What are the courses you run?
Vision and mission.
What are the courses? I was from how many students? What is the
Courses का mention
priority?
नहीं किया है, कोर्सेज का मेंशन नहीं किया है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स स्टेट नेक्स्ट student placement position last 5 years. Next, degree program, Home Science faculty offers UG and PG programs in all 5 departments of the faculty and PhD programs in the 4 departments. UG courses, PG courses and PhD courses. Next, number of students intake in last 5 years. Next, capacity building of student and faculty to build the communication for student, the alone advisor at UG and PG. Next, impact of capacity building. Next, entrepreneurial skill of the student. Next, faculty development programs, enhanced teaching quality. Faculty participated in the offline and online seminars, conferences, and also organized workshops and conferences. Next, next, faculty got more than 100 appreciation certificate and awards. Next, MSc thesis 50, PhD thesis 50. Technology developed productivity foundation, center observed textile and clothing, both patent on the technology, extraction flex fiber by using gel plating. Next, good practices. Next, publication more than 200 research papers which chapters gradually are published. Next, extension and training programs. With modern technology to enable students to learn high-tech modern techniques, to establish video conferencing rooms with 500 capacity, auditorium, documentary room for students, farm movements and home scientists, the run various research projects in the departments to the disseminated new technology directly to the farm women, to build the women training centers and rural women hostels to encourage long-term relationship among training programs and rural women. Next.
Here to all the things which I expected, they have not come up.
So, but actually, see the women, this department supposed to train the women from rural area, pickle making, bread making, biscuit making, basket making, something like that.
It is their job. We have come out with many products from the company.
Many products developed by Food and Nutrition Department.
There is
This madam who has been granted this patent, what's her academic background?
I think textile.
From
Textile, clothing.
From home science?
Yeah.
She is the assistant professor in College of Home Science.
Okay.
In the Department of Textile and Clothing.
Getting a patent, we would like, the committee would like to meet.
Yeah. Like, totally. वो पेटेंट काफी देना है.
I will visit the department class.
Somewhere, not here.
Yes.
Is here on
Yeah.
We will visit the department.
No, after having the patent, now next my target is to have the role with the textile issue.
Commercialization of the patent.
This is one step. Already talks are going on. Very partners are going on. That's what the government talks about. Even I got a call from the Varanasi, from the local people, whether this can be used in the commercial point of view and the corporate. So there is also some work we want to initiate. Because this got last year only, a lot of things have to come up. So that I will.
Suppose if the department is, you would name the department as fashion design technology, something like that. Industry, fashion design. Is teacher design which?
Correct. So better, we can have interaction and then
Next, who's the next lead?
engineering.